Hello and welcome to Fluent English by Fozia. Today's lesson is the most important of your English-speaking journey. You are going to learn 50 essential English sentences that you can use every day, from morning to evening. If you want to start speaking English, you must know these 50 sentences by heart. So, let's get started. Number 1. Morning routine and every day. I woke up early today to describe your morning time. What is the time? The most common question to ask. I need to get ready when you have to prepare yourself. I am having breakfast used while eating the morning meal. What are you doing? Used to ask about someone's current activity. I'm going out now when you are leaving the house. See you later. A common way to say goodbye. It's getting late. Used when time is running out. I am hungry, thirsty, to express your physical need for food, just water. Can I help you? A polite way to offer assistance. Delivery tip: say each sentence twice. First at a normal speed, then slowly with clear pronunciation. Number 2, politeness and asking for help. 11. Excuse me. Used to get someone's attention, politely. 20. I'm sorry, to apologize for a mistake. Thank you so much, to express deep gratitude. Please, wait a minute, a gentle request for patience. Can you please repeat that when you didn't hear or understand something? I don't understand. 2. State your lack of comprehension. It's very kind of you to acknowledge someone's generosity, goodness. Where is the washroom? Essential phrase in public places. Do you need anything? To check if someone requires assistance. I agree with you. 2. Show that you share the same opinion. Number 3. Simple questions and answers. How are you? The standard greeting. I am fine. Thank you. The standard reply to the greeting. What is your name? To ask for identification. Where are you from? To ask about someone's origin. Do you speak English? To confirm a language skill. How old are you? To ask about age. What do you want? To ask about someone's desire or request. I don't know. To state that you lack information. Is everything okay? 2. Ask if the situation is good. Tell me about it. A request for more details. Number 4. Expressing feelings and opinions, 31D. I am feeling tired today, to express physical exhaustion. I am very happy, to express joy. Don't worry, to comfort someone who is anxious. That's a good idea, to express approval of a suggestion. I need your advice, to ask for guidance. I love this place, to express affection for a location. B7, I am getting bored, when you feel restless or uninterested. Don't lose hope. 2. Give someone encouragement. It doesn't matter when something is unimportant or irrelevant. I understand now, when you finally grasp a concept. Number 5. Shopping and public places. How much does this cost? To ask for the price of an item. Can't. I pay by card. To ask about payment methods. I am just looking, used when browsing in a store without buying. This is too expensive. To state that the price is high. Pray 5I need a taxi when requesting a ride. Where is the exit? To find the way out. Pray 7 please. Come here, a polite instruction to move closer. Let's go together. A suggestion to depart with someone. Take care of yourself. A thoughtful way to say goodbye. Have a nice day. A warm closing remark. So, those were our 50 most essential English sentences. Practice them daily. Write your favorite sentence from this list in the comments below to let me know which one you loved the most. If you liked this lesson, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English by Fozia so you can keep learning English every day. See you in the next video!